sila.
Tolbo.
Your mga awards, well, your prizes are gonna be given on February 13. And for Omar! I miss you, Omar! How are you doing? Omar, ba't di ka sumali ng Be The Next? Pugsa ko, best if na ako mag-drop o Galaxy Ron. I miss you, Omar. Guys, if you don't know Omar, Omar is one of the contestants of Dreammaker, and yes, I really miss him. Omar! Oh, wait. DM ko na lang siya mamaya. I'll DM you something mamaya. Hello, Jelaine! See you! We miss you, Omar. Yes, we miss Omar. Hello, Justin. Gagsani. Fresh. Hoy! Ano ka ba? Miss you, Omar. 11-11. 11-11. A successful life for everyone. And of course, crumbs. Thank you, Ate Jing. Ate Jing, Ate Jing. Wala, busy na Omar. Kaya nga, Omar, I hope to see you in theater soon. Miss you so much. Omar is really talented, guys. He's really good singer. Muchos elements si sumali sa Be The Next. Yes, and also Ron. And we are very happy that he's there. Hi, Crisel! Hi, Crave. Ano ba talaga, Crisel? Hello, Jugs! Hello, Yanyan. Hello, Carl. Grabe, taas energy pasabog. Vince, I miss you so much. In support Omar sa theater. Omar, I'm gonna watch your theater soon. Not now because I'm still busy. I hope soon. Dami ko na agad bahay sa Be The Next. Pero hindi ka alis sa Crayons planting. Char. Makes you more nice. Hello po, new fan here. Grabe na ba si Kuya Earl? Miss you, Kuya Earl. Eat na ba? No, actually, I haven't eaten yet. Is that allowed? I don't even know if that's allowed. Ko pa rin Be The Next. Wala po ako doon at Georgie, wala ako doon. Hello po sa 45 viewers. Udong ba yan? No, it is. It is my favorite restaurant. Hello, Marijo. Uwi ka na, dik na ako galit. Ano na, uwi na. Hello, Jules. Ayan, mayan. Bumili kayo. Makakapasa ba ako sa exam? Okay. Yes, we've been... Aray! Thank you, bestie. Miss you, bestie. Chuchok. Ayan, tama yan, mamatin. Thank you, bestie, for the bee, the stinging bee. Ingin naman ako na yan. Grabe ka naman. Hyper ni Bunso. Cutie, totoo ba? BTN Lalo MJ, vote natin. No, I'm not from there. Gumagawa ako, thesis. Chika ka lang dyan. Okay. Siguro yun na lang ako ng podcast. Sige lang, gawin nyo yung mga gusto nyo gawin dyan. Magchichikahan na tayo dito. Huwag lang kayo umalis kasi, ayun lang. Ano ba ang conclusions ng VIP? VIP? I don't know if there's a photo up with VIP. I forgot. Wait, I'm gonna check it out later. Check PM right now. Okay. Oh boy. This is my attitude. Miss you, Zani. Hello, Neil Ernelle. Oh my gosh, I missed you. I hope to see you soon. May tao sa likod mo. Yes, my tita is here. Tita, mag-hi ka. Nahihiya si tita. Yung kortina may anino. Nakakatakot talaga. Huwag niyo akong takutin dito ngayon, guys. Kasi aalis din mo. How was your day? I am doing great. Hindi mo ko miss, Cray. I miss you, Crisel. Kaya nga minsan lang kita nakikita eh. Rantings! Wag! Okay lang naman. Mamaya, wag nyo lang ako kutakutin mamaya. Join from chat and interior. What? Let's hear that. Yes, I hope you're doing well as well. Kialimnida, hello Kialimnida. Shoutout daw kay Jay, miss ka na niya. Jay who? You know Ahof? Yeah, of course, I know Ahof. Jail is there, di ba? Hi Kialimnida. Punso, hi, hati kay inupisahan sa station hat. Ituloy ngayon. Wag, mamatin wag. Wag. 1, 2, 3. Baby. How did you know Ivan and Yunho of Be the Next S? Did you know Ivan and Yunho of Be the... Yeah, they're from the kingdom, right? I miss you. Q? Is this Kuya Q? Kuya Q, I miss you! See you soon, Kuya Q. There's another monster under your bed. No, Powerella, stop that. Stop. Samtanan mo yung user ko para pag nagkita ulit tayo na turing kita if kilala mo yung user ko. Okay, Kashi, okay. I'm not Kashi. You know, okay. Mare, ang taas pa rin ng energy mo. Totoo ba? Thank you. Hindi, ano ba? Am I energetic? Siguro kasi wala pa akong kain. Literally driving home right now. I hope that you will drive safe and take care. PM you something on IG Crew. You can check it when you're free. Okay, Yel. I will check it right now. I think I can check it. Wait lang. I'm gonna check it right now. Guys, bumili na kayo ng jamin. Sino ba yung madaming jamin pa dyan? I believe madami pa kayong jamin dyan. You look so handsome today. Thank you, Nelly. Or Neil or Nell. Baliktad. 5 packs pa sa bahay. Tama yan. Ako naubos ko na yung kahit may ubo ako. May kamay sa bintana. Wala akong bintana. Ang dami ko pang jamin. Tama yan, alpha ba? Misa pa pack. Para matry ko. DJ, I'm gonna bring some on February 13. So, I will give you some. 3 packs na lang puro chocolate. 3 packs na lang. Since paubos na yung mga nyo, kailangan yung bumili ng bagong stock. Kaya mag-check out na kayo! Nagana ba Gcash? Bakit? Magdadrop ka ba? Cheese lang ang hanap ko. Actually, puro chocolate lang. Kaya, I'm not gonna... Hindi ko kayo bubudulin ngayon. Kasi, wala pang... Wait lang, tatakot na ako. Pag kayo wag nyo lang pag-usapan. Wag nyo pag-usapan yung bintana. Hello Raldi! Creamies ka na rin yung Marian Mayan? I miss her too. I hope that we will see each other again very soon. Strawberry paubos na. I know! May strawberry pa ako dito. May 3 pack pa ako. Yeah, so yeah. Guys, may chika ako. So we did a recording, right, for Jamin, and my thoughts for that was it was cool. It was really similar to Dama Dama Dama, and basta ayun, maganda siya. It's good. Gusto talaga natira. I believe bumili ka na ng bago. Hello po sa 48 viewers natin dyan, except na it's released Jamin MV na late ng onte. It's okay, hello Houdini Wayne. It's Sipo favorite ni Cree. Yes, it's my favorite. Sorry guys if I won't be able. Oh, what's your favorite keeper? It's Z and Stray Kids and TXT. Spoiler, konti lang. Thank you for following me, Nix. Review habang nasa live. Ayan, tama yan. Ano ba gagawin natin? Anyways, hello guys, I am Cray of Aster. I am the main dancer, lead vocal, and the bunso of the group, or the youngest of the group. Kaya, yeah. Wait lang guys may tumawag sa akin. Sana may maligaw dito yung pulis. Sino ba yung namumuli sa'yo, Rantings? Kaya di mo mag-song cover ka today, Lyle? Song cover? Do you want me to do a song cover Si Jayo namumulis. Tanggalin. Doon na si Jayo sa far away. Hello, Mizaki. Thank you for following me. Namumulis dyan. Totoo ba? Basta ka... Kuya Levi! Hi, Levi! Kuya Levi, hello po! Kanta? Shari, bunso na LSS ako sa Born to Be by Etsy. Me too. I made a song cover of that, but hindi ko siya na tuloy because I didn't like it. It was too bad. I mean, not the song. I mean, my song cover. Yeah. Okay, char po talaga si Kuya Creep. Perfect ako sa Pilipino. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, fire! Thank you. I hope you did very well. Dapat ganun, crayons. Dapat you should always ace your exams. Or no pressure, just study. Ano lang. Hello, JM94 Cap. Gabi naman ang high note. Diba? Ganun talaga. So, kakanta tayo ng song. What song do you want me to sing? Kung kakanta ba ako ng song, magdadrop kayo. Inuubo ako, din na lang ako magko-comment ng hyper yung lahat. Totoo, kaya ngayon, hyper ng mga crayons ngayon. Ganun ba yun? Pag 11? For some strange reason, ang hyper ng mga tao pag 11 or ano. Alam, magdadrop doon si Ate Sher ng Galaxy. Yay! Feel ko si Ate Jing din, tsaka si Rantings. Okay lang yung Rantings, wala naman dito si ano. Wala din si Jayo dito. Radiant Screen Record. Ano kakantahin ko? No pressure, but you should ace your exams. Yeah. Just don't mind that, Nale. Can I call you just like Nale lang? Because Nale sounds really cool. Thank you, Vince. Okay na po. Si Ate Jing magdadrop to, I believe. I love the playlist. Yung pangalan ng playlist ko sa Spotify is Craze Jam. Ito. Ay. Kasi Craze Jam. Nag-offline. Huwag kayo mag-offline. Hello, Jazz. Thank you for following me. Hello, Adrian. Namumuli sa lahat. Si Wayne? Totoo ba? Tama na yung si Wayne. Wait. Bagay yung place mo sa interview tonight. Kaya nga eh. Hello, Kuya Ben. Feel ko si Kuya Ben. Magdadrop to. Hello, Adrian. Hey, Anchor. It's an Anchor. Ba Anchor, Adrian. Craig, gusto ko milk flavor. Naubos ko na yung milk ko, guys. I'm so sorry. Ano mas na-enjoy mo? Sayaw girl group songs or boy group sa K-pop song? Actually, I really love dancing to girl group songs. Because, like, wala na, it's so cool. I really love, especially ITZY songs and Twice. Iba ako pala gamit ko, kaya pala di ako nakafollow. It's okay, Kuya Q. It's okay, di na ako makatutuloy. Miss you, Kuya Q. Sana makakita na tayo nila, Kuya Chat, very soon. Pwede thank you sa dalawang rig VG. Galing kila Sir J and Alpha ba? It's okay, no problem. Kialimnida. Hello, ay Tita Gladys. Tama yan, mag-check out kayo. Ba't wala si Sir J ngayon? Oh, hello. Thank you po sa roses po, Sir Adrian or Adrian. Wow, thank you po. I love my tent, I love my crew. Thoughts mo about sa Be The Next. Be The Next is... there are lots of mga promising. And guys, all I can say is don't judge agad because even in Dreammaker, sobrang daming mga nasa ganito lang na level. Mga ganito lang na level. And then after Dreammaker, they were like up there. Kaya let's wait for their ano. Thank you, Ate Jing, for the roses. Ay, thank you, Jing Marie. Thank you, Sir Roses. Feel ko gagawin niyang Galaxy. Yes, everyone can improve. Kaya please don't pressure the trainees if ever kung nakikisali kayo sa mga any whatnot. Just believe in them. Jing Marie. What's wrong? Great. Want po ba din ng board treat? Oh yeah, sure, Alphaba, of course. Cats or dogs or cats or dogs? I prefer cats. Or, I mean, either way, I love them. But I do, Caps. Nakalive pa rin si Sir J. Nakalimutan ko na gagawin ko. Ang gagawin mo ay manood. Papasok na si Sir J. Totoo ba? Sir J! Nandiyan na ba si Sir J? Gusto ko din. Baby. Ayun na si Sir J. Sir J! Okay lang sana, Sir J. Hala, ang daming anchors today. Oh, hello po, Anchor Alvin. I love your place. Perfect with pag nag-drain ka. I know. Is it too loud? Because I'm gonna, babawasan ko siya. Do you have a favorite accessory to wear? What is my favorite accessory? Rings? Still waiting for your song. Anong song ba kakantahin ko? Nicole? Is that Nicole? Nicole, I miss you. I hope to see you this month or next month. Basta, around 23 days? Or 20, I don't know, basta. Thank you just for the follow. I'll try to draw you quick rate. Okay, thank you po. Pang-alis stress of duty. If ever kakanta ako, magdadrop kayo lang. Hindi, either way, it's okay if you won't drop. Let's just sing. Thank you sa 100. Ate Mary, I miss you. I have to see you soon. Ano daw? Hanap mo daw ako? Talaga, Sir J. Sabi ko, ba't wala si Sir J ngayon? Ang daming anchors, pero wala si Sir J. Wait lang, guys. Karaoke. What song do you... Mag-suggest kayo ng song, guys. Kaso wala akong masyadong boses ngayon kaya please don't judge me. Game board simula. Creamery. So, sino ulit bias mo 17? 17 is Hoshi. N-hypen is Jake. NCT is Ranjun, Jaehyun, or Ranjun or Jaehyun. Either way. Kaibigan by Justin. Hala, hindi ko pa kabisado yung kaibigan ni Kuya Ja. Roller Coaster. Oh, that is too hard. Universe League song from Roller. Do you want me to sing a Korean song? Nag-end live ako. Kaya nga, Sir J. Thank you, Sir J. My bad is a Treasure. Of course, Treasure. I am a Haruko bias. Haruto and Junkyu. Trap Galaxy for song request daw po, Char. Tama yan, Kuya Ben. In this world, 내게 다시 와 time. Just come kiss me and bite me. Chanla PC. Oh yes, Chanla is also my bias. I mean, he's my bias record. Dance collab soon. Sa arali ko yung bingo. Yes, Sir J. Soon. Hello to Arian. 안녕하세요. Hello po, Kuya. Hello, Anchor Alvin. Ito guys I really hate my nose. I mean, hello Ate Arian. Because si Ate Arian magda-drop. Hi, hey, love you, Alphabet. Love wins all, please. Kaya ko bang love wins all ngayon? Ang okay. Polaroid love. I'll try. My God. Oh. Meron ka na ataka? Yes, I do have an ataka, but it's on... wala pa ako dito sa Manila, but I have one sa Cebu. Dekoy, I miss you! Where's Kuya KL? KL is back in the condo. Hello, Sir J. 5:15 is my birthday, baka pag-greet. Advance happy birthday to Anchor Alvin. I hope that you're gonna enjoy your birthday and yeah, ingat lagi. Thank you po sa IC, Sir J. Okay, I'm gonna try Polaroid Love. Polaroid Love is too hard. Polaroid Love 사람 촌스러운 그 감정 근데 내 가슴이 뛰어 나 It's like 전화기 못 내는 건지 어차피 뻔한 감정이잖아 분명 다 안감이 닿지 알고도 빠진 감정인가 봐 나도 모르게 너 욕하는 가슴 아프게 내 심장이 쿵쿵 It's like a Polaroid love 사랑촌스러운 그 감정 근데 내 가슴이 뛰어 The night It's like a Polaroid love pero 되지 않아 흔한 필터조차 없어 But I love the vibe 너무 여기 부정없이 새기는 거야 점점 뚜렷해져가지 그림부터 꺼냈던 이 맘은 세상단 한 번뿐이야 I don't wanna get There you come wala na akong boses ay winners 내 심장이 쿵쿵 It's like a Polaroid love 사랑촌스러운 그 감정 근데 내 가슴이 뛰어 The night It's like a Polaroid love 내 뜻대로 되지 않아 흔한 필터조차 없어 But I love the vibe That is so hard wala na akong boses ay ang OA naman wala ang ano pala ng ano nun laway doon yung laway ko parang dito na siya oh lagi anyway sorry guys if I wasn't able to see your messages pa-shoutout from Asian College of Technology hello Jumata yes you're still from Asian College ay from ECT to my alma mater Fawcett ang Cray wala akong boses na don't wanna get when you call my name ayun lang yung boses ko ngayon water like eto na ang give mo thank you is it Ton hello is that Winston di ko makita Miss Patrick yeah I'm Sir Je bunso postcards ko eto na mamaya na talaga yan. Mamaya pa yan, di ba? Diba, thank you. Look at outfit. Oh! You were the Loki outfit. Oh, you were cool. I mean, lots of people were really cool during Tonton's cup sleeve event. Gusto ko yan, Wayners. Ayan, dapat ganyan. Set 3 lion. Dapat ganun, guys. Mag-send kayo ng 3 lion. Thank you. Thank you, Wayners. Miss you, Wayne. Pag-greeting Cray, birthday ko sa Feb. Oh, happy birthday, Kim. I mean, advance happy birthday, Kim. I hope you're gonna enjoy your birthday and always take care. Anyways, pag-suggest pa kayo ng kanta, guys. Yung kaya ng boses ko. Ayun, tama yan. Mag-send ko yung TikTok universe. Feel ko kaya yung totohanin ni Rantings. Love you, Kim. Sana bukas magising ko 13 na. Diba? Guys, I really prepared very hard for my song. Yeah. Gusto ko mag-spoil pero I wanna do a spoiler but I can't. Ate Sher, nagkumanta na ako. Feel ko mag-drop na to si Ate Sher. Nakap ako another bias sa siya ni Tonton. Is that me? Is that me? I'm edging to create a bias at Jung. Oh, really? You're a Jungwon bias. I am a Jake biased. Kakapasok pala ng Feb. Handa na ako. Aray! Natabaan. Thank you, Sir Jess of Cupid's Bow. Thank you po. Ito lang yun. Wait lang. Jake bias. I am a Jake bias. TXC bias. Subin. Ito kung sa lahat ng mga mga tier list, no. All of my bias in K-pop, it'd be Yuna, Subin, IN of Stray Kids. Yes. Thank you sa heart, Mr. Anchor Alvin. Horang kita. Horangi. Blue by Yungkai. Oh, I'm not really familiar with that. Subin so true. Right. Hello pala sa mga 43 viewers there, dyan. Kulit ng reaction. I'm so sorry. Okay. When ka balik City, Kuya? I don't really know. When am I gonna come back? Soon. Actually, dumalaw ako ng ACT ah. Yeah. Nung last year. Birthday was my birthday. I think it was my birthday. Unistan kayo. I am a casual listener of Unislam. Thank you sa Kibits Wati Jing. Isa pa song. Okay, ate sure. Hindi, gusto ko din talaga Die with a smile. Are you trying to kill me? I'm just kidding. That is a really hard song. I can do Die with a smile, but lower. That's funny. Sino yun stan? Kuya Tats ata. Yung English ni Curry talaga top tier. Thank you so much. Hello, Zigaya. Kailan ba Maki? I wanna do Pink Pony Club. It's okay. I was just joking, Parella. Pinagpawis sa malala. Thank you, Ate Jinx Roses. Hi again, Asher Cray. I'm Rona. Hi, Rona. Ate Mary, thank you sa heart me. Thanks on this, Kuya. Good night. Ingat. Ay, amping Joanna. Hello, Quinley. Okay, I'm gonna look for a song. I want a Maki song. I wanna song. I wanna try Dilaw. Saan kakayanin ko yung Dilaw, no? Bet ko magpa-parkourgi si Ate Georgie. Feel ko rin. Bugaw, please. No, di ko kaya yung Bugaw, winners. Di ko kaya pa Bugaw ngayon. I'll try Dilaw muna for now. See you, CR. I hope that we can go back to Iloilo very soon. Galaxy muna sa'yo, kuya. Feel ko mapapag-Galaxy talaga si Rantings. Tsaka si Ate Jing. Shaman? No, not really. Hello po, Ate Rona said. Hello, Ate Rona. Okay, I'll do Dilaw muna. This is the most, kasi, alam nyo guys, sa condo, when I was still in the condo, may lagi nagpapatugtog ng ng mga makina kanta. Si Wayne. Thank you, Ate Marys. I love you. Love you too. Si Wayne, lagi siya thank you, Ate Jing. Thank you, Ate Jing. Hello, Ren. Thank you, Ate Jing. Thank you so much. Yay. Di ba napasayo ako bigla? Yay. Feel ko si din. Si Kylie. Thank you, Ate Shirt sa Corgi. May pag-grocery na siya. Ate Georgie, stop that. Gabi ka pala mag-gift. Feel ko si Ate Ian magda-drop din to. Tas alis ka muna, Wayne, para hindi mo makita. Sure team song ni Wayne Dilaw, di ba? Na 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 na. Hindi ko lang alam yung lyrics masyado. Baka hindi ko makabisado. Anyways, hello Nini, request po, love wins all. That is too hard. I will sing that for another, A year ago, I saw your interactions with Cray. I miss you. Hello, Just. Thank you for following me. Thank you po. Your love wins all. I think I'm gonna do Dilaw muna. Ito na. Guys, please don't judge me. Ito talaga yun. What song ba ang essay? Ang galing. Wala pa, Wayne. Wala pa. Guys, hindi pa ako kumakain. I'm gonna eat after this. Ito na. Hi, Kuya Dave. Tian, thank you po. Thank you, Ate Ian. Ito na. Kunin ko muna. Thank you, Ate Mary. Alam mo bang munti ka na sumuko ang puso ko. Hindi ko alam kung yung tama yung Sa paulit-ulit na pagkakataon na nasaktan na bigo. Mukhang delikado na naman ako. Bakit ba kinikilig na naman ako? Pero ngayon ay parang kakaiba. Ang hirap pag nakatingin sa iyong mata. Ang mundo ay kalma. Ngayon nandyan ka na din nagmamadali. Ko lang ang katabi. Sa ang buhok ay pumuti. Ang hirap maghahanap ng kung anong sagot sa mga tanong. Dahil ikaw ang katiyakan ko. Hindi na ako dito. Hindi ko na ikasaya. Kung natin mo ang kulay ang aking nagsisilbing tanglaw. Ikaw ay dilaw. Di akalain mararamdaman ko muli ang yakap ng panahon habang kumakalabit ang init at sinag ng araw. Mukhang di naman delikado kasi parang ngumingiti na ako. Kaya ngayon di na mangangamba sabihin nila oh, oh, oh. Sira talaga yung falsetto ko ngayon. Di po kasi kumakain. Tama yan. Di na maghahanap ng kung anong sagot sa mga tanong dahil ikaw ang katiyakan ko. Hindi na ako bibitaw. Ngayon ikaw na ang kaasayaw. Makulay ang aking nagsisilbing tanglaw. Ikaw ay dilaw. Wala. Sira mga falsetto. Wala akong falsetto ngayon, guys. Alam nyo, it's a really weird thing. Kasi, pag pause ako, ang ganda ng falsetto ko. But if ever na okay naman yung boses ko, wala akong falsetto. As in, ganun siya. Tama yun, Wayne. Thank you, Wayne. Grabe talaga si Wayne. Deserve ng Lion. Feel ko magdadrop si Ate Jing talaga ng Lion kung ganun. How to falsetto po. Paturo. Ganun. Thank you, Ate Georgie. Thank you, Ate Georgie. Ang galing ng timing. Grabe. Ayan na siya. And that was Dilaw by Kuya Maki. Maki Maki yung pangalan niya, hindi Kuya Maki yung pangalan niya. Pares tayo ng boses Cray. Diba, Sir Je? Pasok ko to si Sir Je sa Aster. Siyempre, magaling ako sa timing. Mahusay. Anyways, ano ba yung gusto yung kanta? Ayoko nang may madaming falsetto. May... Ay! Misteryoso? Wagi. Tama, winners. How to falsetto po. Ayan, si Wayne yung magtuturo sa inyo mag-falsetto. It's you? No! Ang daming falsetto nun! Wait lang. You're the right time at the right moment. You're the sunlight. Okay, we can do It's You. Go. Sorry guys, inuubot talaga ako ngayon. Thank you, Ate Mary. Ate Sher, kumanta na ako ng second song, Salamin by Bini. Kung gusto mo may kasama pang sayaw, ang okay. Talent yan ate. Tama yan Manuel. Ayan na si Rantings ulit. Hello Venice. Eto na, I Can Do It's You by Henry, right? It's You by Henry. Baby. Eto na. Yes, Alpha ba? Gabi sir, kung nag-reverse mga cringe. Kaya nga I miss din. Hello Just, thank you for following me. Eto na. Guys, please, sana hindi ako pipiyok ngayon. Please. Baby, I'm falling head over heels, looking for ways to let you know just how I feel. I wish I was holding you by my side. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause finally it's real. Trying to hold back, you ought to know that you're the one that's on my mind. Falling too fast, deeply in love, finding the magic in the colors of you. You're the right time at the right moment. You're the sunlight that keeps my heart going. Whoa. No, when I'm with you, I can't keep myself from falling. Right time, at the right moment, it's you. It's you. It's Sira talaga ang aking falsetto. Baby, I'm falling deeper in love. Everything that you are is all I'm dreaming of. If I can break enough to show you that I need us, I give up everything I have, girl, just for you. I'm trying to hold back. You ought to know that you're the one that's on my mind. Falling too fast, deeply in love. Girl, all I need to breathe is you, 'cause you're the right time at the right moment. Heat up. You're the sunlight that keeps my heart going. Whoa, know when I'm with you, I can't keep myself from falling. Right time at the right moment, it's you. Ay, alam mo na. Wala na akong falsetto, guys. I'm running out of air. Ang OA. Kaya mag-drop na kayo ng Galaxy. Okay na ba yun? Parang wala talaga sa... Sorry. Sorry, guys. Wala talaga sa kondisyon yung boses ko. I'm so sorry, guys. Bawi ako pag may boses na ako. I promise. I promise. Galing pa yun. Oh, thank you, Vince. Perfect by Ed Sheeran. Okay. Kringiti ka nga SS ko. Wala, di ako alam niya. I don't know how to... Nate Pineda. Is this one of Winston's kuyas? If ever, hello po. Yes, I am familiar with Perfect, of course. One of my favorite songs. I'll do that. Okay lang yun, Munso. Okay, after Perfect... wait lang, smile pala ako. Okay na ba yun? That is really... I really don't know how to do smile. Okay, let's do Perfect. Thank you sa Cupid's Body, Georgie. Hello, Angel. EXO. Oh, English version of EXO. Sa'yo na lang. Eto, last muna, and then we'll do chikahan, and I'm gonna eat kasi I'm really gutom na. I didn't eat lunch. Yeah. Ate Mona! Hi, Ate Mona, I miss you! It's so cool that Ate Mona is here. Wait lang, Cray. Okay na, Ate Sher. Yes, Ate Sher, what is it? Ate Mona is here. For the perfect timing. Si Skyflakes. Yeah, nagutom ako. Grabing fasting naman. I'm doing kasi... Hello, Raddy. Okay, I'm doing Perfect. Okay, Perfect by Ed Sheeran. Does this have does this song have... I don't know, falsettos or like... matataas? I forgot. How have you been? I'm doing well. Ay, pa-shout. Bon! Do tayo meron niya, Bon. Miss you, Bon. Hello po, hello po. Okay, I'm gonna do Perfect by Ed Sheeran. I found a love for me, darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beauty. I never knew you were someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, darling, just kids. Oh no, this is that's a part. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, yeah, that's dancing in the dark, that's dancing in the dark, that's hindi ko kaya. Barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Get up. Look perfect tonight. I'm not gonna sing that song. That is too high for me. Wait. I'm so sorry, guys. Oh. Anyways. Hello po. Hello, everyone. Kumukha mo talaga si Wayne. Really? Kuya Mipik, since remake our journey mo, I'm happy na nag-debut ka din in different group. Oh, thank you, Venice. I hope that you will stand as your new vice unlocked na talaga. Wala pa yan, Manuel. Hindi pa yan yung full potential ng boses ko. Wala pa yan. Upload later. Oh, please don't upload the recent one. What a nice song. Thank you, Tisher. Anyways, guys, may tanong ako. Pwede bang kumain habang... pwede bang kumain ng may brand na nasa live, TikTok live? Or that's bad? That's bawal. Water po before bumuelo. Ito na, Ate Georgie. Thank you guys for because I tried my best to find easy song. It's okay! Wala talaga akong boses ngayon. Totoo ba pwede? Wag lang kita ang box. Okay. How do I do this? Kahit mo lang yung logo. Okay, wag lang yung logo. Lipat mo sa plate. Ayoko kumain sa plate, nakakawalang gana. Ang OA na para bang. I'm gonna eat. You're officially a message after love you, Kuya Corinne. Oh, love you po. You can call me Lyle if you want. Hello, Mommy Corinne. Corinne? Favorite kasi. Yeah. Sobrang Latina. Am I doing it right? I still haven't learned from the OGs. Kita pa yung resibo. Guys, please don't judge a book by its cover. Ano daw? Hello, teacher. Anyways, I'm gonna eat now. Hoy, Sir Jay, wala ka dyan. Sigma boy. Sigma boy. Hello, Wilmar Pons. Ate yan ang hinahanap. Kain well. Thank you, Ate Mona. But before I eat, I think Ate Mona will drop some corgis today. Yay! Shut up. Pasyado nyo po asawa ko Cray, ha? Nyo po sa asawa ko Cray yung name. What? Asawa ko Cray yung name. Hello, asawa ko Cray. What? I don't get it. Hello, Bessie. Talaga ba Cray? Ate Mona, you're gonna drop. I think you're gonna drop. Bunso, pabusog ka. Thank you po. Oh no, isa lang yung binigay nila. I hate it. Alam nyo, yung eto, I really want to, but they only gave me one. I'm so sad. How do I do this? Kung nakaganto ba siya, hindi ba nakita, di ba? O di ba walang nakalagay? O di ba hindi kita? You know Taylor Swift song? I do know Taylor Swift songs. Pwede to, di ba? Di ba nakatagilid? Iba na palang binubuksan ko. Sabi ko, ba't ayaw matagal ng tape? At binubuksan ko. Diba? Pwede naman palang ganito eh. Ganito na lang siya. Good night. Sleep well, Yel. I miss you. See you soon. Cray, bubulwak yan ha. Oh, hindi. Hindi. Kain po. Kain po. Hello, Divine. Basta hindi kita yung brand mo, so pwede yan. Hindi naman siguro kita, no? Nakikita lang yung bahay nila. Hello! Hoy! Okay lang yun yung si KFC Philippines. Okay lang si KFC Philippines. Sabi nila, it's okay to not be okay. Ano daw? Hi, Bestie. Feel ko magdadrop ulit si Bestie ng Stinging Bee. Ang onti ng mga binibigay nila. Naiinis ako. Hello, Ate Mary. Thank you, Ate Mary. I miss you. Hello, Ian. Lingahan? Hello po. Kwarta sa... Dara, Bestie. Ako na ibalik ang kwarta. Char. Ito na. I'm gonna eat now. I'm so happy. Oh. This is not it. Wait lang. But I'm willing to stay up all night just to watch your favorite kid. Hoy! Matulog ka! You have to sleep, Venice. You have to sleep. You need lots of energy tomorrow. Miss you, Ate Mary. It's okay, Ate Mary. Fighting. Si Ate Sher, andito pa rin. Si Ate Sher, magdadrop talaga to siya ng Galaxy, no? Nararamdaman ko na talaga ba? Na para bang. Sorry guys, I'm still doing my thing. Wala daw sa station na si Ate Mary kanina. Hello. Please take care of your plushie. Of course. Oh, I thought it was that. Of course, I'm taking care of all of your plushies and everything. Don't worry, guys. It's safe with me. Yes. Wag na lang maingay. You want it ba? Saan, Ate Sher? Yes, Ate Sher. Wait. Feel ko... Ano ba? Feel ko si Ate Sher magdadrop ng... Jamin. Pwede ba yun? Charot, pero hindi nakita yung banin na bigay ko. Ate Georgie, nakita ko talaga. Yung same kay Marcus. I'm keeping it. It's the one from Miniso, diba? Of course I have it. Why would I not? Kaya yung binigay ko yung kitchen na bayad na saan? Saan ba yun? Basta dito lang yun sa condo. Kuya Alvin! Is this Kuya Alvin? Hi, Kuya Alvin! Wait, do you remember that I think I gave you a Ranjan PC? I forgot din, did you? Hi, Kuya Alvin! Or is it Kuya JP? Miss you, Kuya Alvin or Kuya JP. I hope to work with you very soon. Guys, if you guys don't know Kuya Alvin and Kuya JP, Oh, it's Kuya JP! They are the ones who made the jersey. Alam niyo yung jersey na pink and blue? Sila po yung nagpagawa nun. And they were the ones who styled us during the Globe the Globe event together with Beanie. Kaya I hope that you guys will support them also. I love those jerseys. Yeah, they were the ones who made it. I mean, yeah. Wait lang guys. Bubuksan ko lang tong... I think I did it right. Hello, Misha. Iconic jerseys. Yes, I miss wearing those jerseys as well. I wanted one so bad. Ate Mona, I will give you one if you're gonna come here. Nakita ko, Sir J. Actually, napaluha ako dun. Ang OA. But really, thank you, Sir J. I really appreciate it. I mean, we really appreciate it. Okay, Ate Mona. As long as you're gonna drop lots of corgis. Shout out. Just kidding. But I'll try. Yun yung may blue. Yeah, that one. Maja. Guys, so samahan nyo na lang muna akong kumain ngayon. Masarap siya. Sobrang sarap. Parang Latin. Sobrang Latina. Thank you, Powerella. Oh, Ate Mona, thank you for the corgi. Thank you, Ate Mona. I will bring you... I will try. Yeah. Because I don't know if they are still making some. Nagawin ko kasi ako reaction mo that time. Akala ko yung pala yung keychain. Yeah, ang cute ka ng keychain actually. Alpha ba? Actually, alam mo, kukunin sana yun. Donuts too. I'll give you donuts. Dunkin'. Am I supposed to say that? But anyway, sa maganda ng jersey na yun, actually, di ba, ayun guys, if ever, ano yung pinaka-gusto nyo mga outfit namin? I mean like, yung jersey ba, or yung maangas, ano yung dystopia namin? Or yung gusto nyo yung carnival outfit namin, couple keychains tayo, purple sa'yo, pink sa akin. Totoo ba? Hi, Tisher! Ate Sher is back. Hi, Ate Ann. Lahat favorite ko. Ang ganda, di ba? It's so fun. Thank you, Tisher. Yung bingo. Thank you, Ate Mona! I'll try ko gayahin yun. Was it that? Was it like that? Tama ba? The bingo outfit fit, angas. Which one in bingo outfit? The Acer outfit nyo pa. Acer is... Yeah, okay. Kalat ng concept ng bagay. Really? Tagalin mo yung bonnet. Have to go. Oh, it's okay, Ate Mona. See you soon, Ate Mona. Love you. Bye-bye. See you soon. Hello, Triple JM. Good luck at work. Bawal din magbanggit ng brand. Really? Oh, I'm so sorry. I'll just shut. Eto, nakakain na ako. Gutom na ako. I'll just eat, guys. Wait lang. Kain po. Ate Rain! Kumain ka muna na. Sorry. Sarap. First meal of the day. Nung ano ito, JJ? Kumain? Aalagaan ko yun. Promise ko sa'yo yung alpha ba? I'm so sorry. Kaya ako. Pawarela naman, wag naman ganyan-ganyan ngayon. Kakaalis na ni Tita. She's gone. Kaya wag na kayo mag-joke, please. Wala na akong kasama ngayon sa condo. Jasper naman. Nakapikit pa naman yun. It's first meal of the day. Kinabakasan na kasi 12. Oh, actually, it's my first meal of the day. I need to go na. Bati Mary. Ingat. Steam siya may din fave ko bunso. Actually, both are okay. Mas ganito lang yung cravings ko ngayon. I like your hair so much. Hala, hindi nyo pa nakikita yung full version. Full version? There's such thing sa full version. Biglang nag-Jasper. Ay, sorry. Sorry. Ito na. Kakain na ulit. I'm so gutom. So good. Kaya guys, alam nyo na yung favorite food ko kung may mga tanong na ganon. Ito na Maria. Hi, Carl! Wala! Dalawa! Kuya JP, gaya-gaya! Charot. Huwag kayo maingay. Wala yon. Wala kayong nakita na ano. Miss you, Carl! Sorry po. Ito na. Wala na. Wala kami nakita. Tama yan dyan. Wala kami nakita. Tara, Chow King. Tara na dadayan mo kami. Miss you, Ate Ian. I hope you're doing well. Vlog po kami today. Tama yan. Alam mo ba, some saying resemblance kay ni Kuya Gab. May nagsabi nga. And the way I speak din. May nagsabi. Hello, Jessa. Don't... The brands? Which one? Curry Pakis. Choking next. Ah, ayun! Diba? Wag kayo wag kayo mag-type ng ano para hindi din ako maano. Sana hindi ako malalagot kay KFC. Okay na si KFC kasi ano naman eh. Wag kayong magbanggit ng name kasi nababasa ko eh. Wag kayong magbanggit ng brand na lang. KFC Philippines, hello. Wala, hindi sila nanonood ngayon. Hello, Nico. I'm gonna sleep na kuya live. Bye, Venice. Ingat, Venice. Good luck sa school tomorrow. Ingat. We love KFC. I love KFC. I love KFC so much. Wag lang yung... Oh, really? Is that how it works? Okay, that's... Ano pa yung iba? Except, aside from... Yung ano din ba? Yung orange app? Bawal din ba? Pa-fun shots ka naman. Ganito ba yung fun shots? Boog, boog, boog. Tama ba yun? And... okay, gets. Okay, gets. Noted po. Ganun ba yun? Ganun yun, di ba? Tama, fun shots. Thank you, Ate Ian. Nakakainis! Mamaya na. Wait lang. Fun shots mo yung tumatalon. Ha? Hindi ko yan. Si story ko. Sir Je, wag mo ito. Hindi ko yung nire-story. Wag kayong... Wag na kumain. Talaga. Charot. By the way, Ate Ian, you remember this? Sila Baba. Hindi ko na napapakita yung ano. Kasi may nagkakiray siya eh. Kaya hindi ko na siya hindi ko na siya sinasabit sa bag. Alam niyo guys, Di na ako nagsasabit ng mga anik-anik sa bag kasi nadudumihan sila kagaya ng labubo ko. My very first labubo, nagkakilay siya. Wala namang kilay ang pagbigay sa akin. May kilay na siya ngayon. Nagpa-threading siguro siya. Anyways, yung portrait, it's in the gift bags. Madami akong gift bags eh. May kilay na. Nabubuhay yan pag 1 a.m. Okay lang nabubuhay siya kasi isang gano'n lang naman siya eh. Gano'n siya. Huwag kang tumawa, Cherry. Don't talk when your mouth is full. Hindi na siya kumakain. Hello, Nina. Lagyan mo doll bag, 50 lang. Hala, wala akong budget ngayon eh. Bakit itatapon? Kasi, sabi kasi ni Ate Ian, nagsasalita daw to pag pag 3 a.m. Kaya sabi ko, okay lang, hindi ako natatakot kasi isang ganun lang naman siya eh. Send. Totoo ba? Okay, magdadrop talaga ako. Charot lang. Hoy, Sir J! Para magkabili ng doll bags. Yeah, mag-drop kayo ng guys, ng madaming Galaxy or Corgi. Or i-drop mo na lang dito, Jasper. Anyways, eto din no. Ate sure. Eto, ang bigay ni Nico. If you guys know Nico, this is Nico gave this. Wala pa rin akong pangalan neto. Ito bigay ni Nico, tsaka ni Tita. It's really cute. They gave this during the Harana namin. Yeah, it was really cute. Nico gave this to me and I'm so happy. I love you, Nico. I hope you're doing well. Viva Cafe. Yeah. Astro Unplugged. Maja. Tas, eto Ate Sher. This is the one Ate Sher gave me. It's really cute. Ang ilaw. Grabe naman ang ilaw. Lilo na lang. Lilo? Really? Lilo? Okay, I'll check. Show mo din yung binigay ko. Nasa bag ba yun? Where is it? Basta it's around here. Kunin ko mamaya. Nicolo. Kunin ko yung mamaya. Alpha ba? Huwag ka magtampo. Don't worry. Be happy. Supposedly nga kukunin na sana yun ni Tita. Sabi niya, ang cute naman yan. Sa akin na lang. No! Sa akin yan. That's mine. Kumain ka na, ubusin mo muna food mo. Oo nga, no? Di pala ako natapos kumain. Ba't yan na po, di ba? Pinaghuhugasan ng pinggan. Lababo yun! Hoy! Lababo yun! Excited to see you too, Maria. Pag ako nag-gift with mo lang bakasyon ko. Guys, tumatanggap ako ng mga ganito. Ang cute kasi neto. Dalawa lang yung labubo ko tsaka ganito. Tumatanggap ako ng ganito. Ang cute niya. O, sino mas cute? Ba't pwede siya maduling? Pwede siya maduling. Meron din ako magduling-dulingan. Ano mo gusto mo? Hirono or Funko? Funko! Oh, Hirono? It depends on who. I would tumatanggap ako ng mga kailan. Jamin ba gusto mo? Of course, Jamin. Tumatanggap ka naman. Hindi, ayoko tumanggap ng ganun. Depende kung bigay sa fan. Hi Nina, I'm doing well. How are you? Tanggap siya. Ito na, I'm gonna eat. Ano naman? Wait lang guys ha. Patapos na kaan. Wait lang. Andito si Better check my name, Chris. Hi, Chris. Ilang hours live mo? I'm gonna end by 1. Basta bibigyan mo ako ng hippers. Yung mga alam nyo guys, ang hippers ko hindi ko pa siya nalalagay sa cellphone ko. Isa pa lang yung bigay ni Kuya D kasi